I'm Marnie from Maker & Son. Our customers frequently ask us for help with putting their colour schemes together, so we thought we'd create a little series of videos to show you how we do it. We can send you samples of any of our fabrics to help you work out which of our colours would look best in your space. Once you receive your fabric samples, or perhaps before, you may wish to think about the colours of your space that your new products will sit amongst. When styling our spring-summer fabric colours, you may wish to bring the outdoors in with a green scheme and using white as the anchor colour. Here, for example, we've paired our lovely large pillow edge song sofa, which is in sunstone 100% linen, with the Marnie sofa, which is also in linen, and this beautiful green colour is called malachite. Set against this lovely all-white by Farrow & Ball for a clean and crisp look, which is absolutely perfect for spring or summer. Accessorize keeping your palettes light with a mixture of neutral colours and a range of textured soft furnishings in natural materials. To complement our pieces, we have interspersed muted green tones and arrangements of foliage and fresh flowers. Our design experts are on hand to offer advice on how to create a beautiful interior to pair with your new sofa. We can also create bespoke floor plans and advise on the best fabrics to suit your interior and lifestyle. Our pieces take around 10 weeks to arrive, but if you're looking for something a little bit sooner, we also have our Maker & Son Now range, which means you can receive your pieces within 1 to 2 weeks depending where you are. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any more questions, please do get in touch with us. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you.